Thank you, Lord, for every little thing.
Good night, good evening, welcome back again. I'm Milton E. Wilson, IRS Enroll Agent, and I have a very interesting video to put across tonight, and this regards the COVID-19 sick leave. So much people have been talking about this, so I had was to do some explanation regarding this COVID-19 sick leave. And there's a lot of credit there for the COVID-19. And so how you qualify for this COVID-19? You qualify if you had COVID anytime between April 1st, 2020 to April 2021. So it's April 1st, 2020 to April 1st, 2021. And anytime if you have any form of sickness, COVID, or even if you care for someone, you can get this credit. So you can receive up to $511 per day, but that's only for 10 days, because they only allow you to get 10 days COVID sick leave. And that is because quarantine and so always take 10 to 14 days. So they're not going to give you any more than that. Only if under the family, where you're looking for your family, you can get up to 50 days. But let's go back and talk about the yourself, and you have up to 10 days. Also, I'm talking about the self-employed. I'm not talking about the employee. The employee will have to go through their employer in order to get this family sick leave, and which by filling out their form 7202. Now you get $511 per day, but that is self-employed. $511 it's up to per day, and that based on your net income. So once you put in your gross income and your net income is left, whatever is left of your net income have to be divided by 260, because it is 260 working day, sick leave working day, and then you multiply by 10, and then that amount will be your credit sick leave. It means if you have a low net income, you can get up to say maybe 100 or say 200 per day. But the $511 per day is those company who have large amount of net income, and when they multiply by the 260, they get a larger amount. When you multiply by 10, it can come up to $511. Also, if you're taking care of someone in your family who is sick also, who have the COVID also, all you need to do is to prove that they have the COVID. How you prove that you have the COVID? Either you go by to the doctor, the hospital, they will have it on record, or give you a paper to show that you have the COVID. Even if you're quarantined and you don't have no proof and you're quarantined for that COVID, you can still put in your application to get that COVID credit. Okay, so once again, if you're taking care of a family member, that is up to $200 per day. $200 per day. Up to 2,000. 10 days, that would be 2,000. The 511, that would be $5,110. So you can see how this can help. A lot of people let this pass. Still have a lot of time, I have to say, to apply for this COVID, and this credit is refundable also, which offset your tax liability, and you can get the rest. Those miss this out, a lot of people miss this out. We still can do it for you at our office at cmttax.com. Number 954-616-5463, and we are there to help you. Remember, we don't have much time. And as I said again, the COVID ends April 1st, 2021, and it begins April 1st, 2020. That's one full year. To any part of that year you have COVID, for any time you can get that tax credit. So remember, go on the YouTube and at cmttax.com, like, share, subscribe. You'll be the first to get information of any other new video I'm putting out. I was asked to put out the COVID, because several people is trying to find out if they still qualify, are liable to get COVID, and they want to do so. And I say, once again, I say, yes, you still have time to do the COVID, but you can't wait too much. So once again, thank you for listening, and thanks so much. Don't forget, CMT Tax Hour, like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lord, for every little thing.